Welcome to the Crystal Hotel. This triangular-shaped hotel has a maze of corridors and staircases that make it a fun and mysterious place to visit. Today, we're super excited to show you the funky bars, our cool room, and so much more. All right, let's go.
Let's go, let's be free.
So the Crystal Hotel is located right in the heart of Portland. You can't get more deep than this. South of the Pearl District, right between Burnside and Harvey Milk. Behind me is Zeus Cafe. We had a delicious dinner last night here. So we love the Cajun tots at all the McMenamins. But here, you can get loaded tots with pork belly and a brie sauce. Oh my goodness, they were amazing. Best tots ever. Also, we got some crispy chicken wings that were in some kind of a sweet glaze sauce. Amazing. We loved it. We love going to different McMenamins and trying the different restaurants. So it was interesting how unique this menu here in Portland is compared to the other McMenamins. If you're just catching up with us, this is my husband Steven, and I'm Elaine. We've spent the last several days exploring our favorite McMenamins properties, Edgefield Winery and the Grand Lodge. Today, we are at our third and final location, and probably the most famous, the Crystal Hotel. So this was originally Zeus Cafe, now known as Zeus Cafe. Much like a lot of the other things named around the McMenamins properties, like Pat's Corner and Bob's Bar, this is named after a beloved employee local here to Portland that a lot of people loved and knew. Hal was the right-hand man of Zeus, who managed the bar here from 2011 till 2022 when he passed away. They say on a sunny day, if you sit in these booths, the stained glass windows play their favorite song in colored light on the floor. This morning, we split a signature Hal dish for breakfast. Delicious scrambled eggs with a twist. The Crystal Hotel is often referred to as the center of the McMenamins universe. That's because of its unique connections to the other McMenamins properties. Because the Crystal Hotel is right in the heart of downtown Portland, there's a ton of public transportation, lots of different shops, so many conveniences including Whole Foods, and so much more. Much like the Grand Lodge and Edgefield embody the areas that they are in, the Crystal Hotel embodies Portland perfectly. As you can see here in this room, the eclectic shape really goes with the eclectic Portland vibe. The unique design on the headboard really goes with what they've put here around the top of the room. We haven't looked into exactly what the meaning of our room is. The name is Sleeping Lessons, and we haven't found out yet what that means. Sleeping Lessons is a song by The Shins, a local Portland, Oregon group. Okay, so let me show you what we've got in here though. Other than the amazing headboard and this nice queen bed, we have a phone, which we haven't had on the other two McMenamins properties we've been to the last couple of days, so that's awesome. And we also have these cute little shelves. So every room is supposed to come with a mason jar. Ours at Edgefield did not. We're not sure if that was purposeful or if they just forgot it, but then you get a postcard, 2-pint glasses. We have our McMenamins amenities, which we love, the shampoo, conditioner, soap, all of that. So cute. Fresh white towels and our robes for the soaking pool. We're gonna head down and enjoy those soon after we finish showing you the rest of the room. But I love the shape of it. It's got this quirky, funky little like nooks and crannies little shape and this very cool view. I don't know if I love it more during the day or at night because there are twinkle lights out here. And yeah, we have a cute little chair here in the corner. There's a little entryway when you first come in. And yeah, just has a very cool, funky vibe. I think if you were to come stay here, out of all the hotels in Portland, you would have the most immersive feel immediately. So big doesn't always mean the best. Like some of the other places we've stayed at, like the Mandarin Hotel or different hotels that had bigger rooms. This one is compact, has everything we need, well thought out layout, and super cute, great charm. I love this Alice in Wonderland painting on the wall. And we have our own sink, which is fantastic. That's a perk. We love it when we get those. At Edgefield, you almost only always get those with a king bed, so it's nice to have a queen and still have that. But anyways, it's getting late, so we'll catch up with you later. Much like the other two McMenamins we visited, the Crystal Hotel has shared baths. Once we changed into our suits, we headed down to the basement. Behind me here is the Crystal Hotel's soaking pool. It's a little bit loud, so hopefully you can hear me. It's such a fun shape. We hung out here last night. Very relaxing, nice and warm. It's one of our favorite things about all of the McMenamins are the soaking pools. We went to the one at Edgefield and at the Grand Lodge, both of which are outdoors. So this one is unique in that it is inside the building, in the basement, and it is open until 1 a.m. So if you are a late night soaker, this hotel is the place for you. So this is Owl's Den, also known as the Annex Bar. It's just a little tiny bar here at the edge of the building, tucked in this little corner, super cute, lots of good windows and lighting. They're not open while we're here today and we have to head back home. We'd love to stay and check it out. It looks adorable. We'll come back eventually and do that sometime. But it looks like a great place to have a drink. Also, it's the bar that serves this outdoor area when they have live music and shows and things happening. For bigger events and venues, they use the Crystal Ballroom. It's closed, so we can't get in there and show you that, but it's a suspended floor ballroom. They've had tons of people come and perform here over the years. Tons of people have performed at the Crystal Ballroom. I myself have attended events there. It's very cool. Definitely something to check out if you're in Portland. Over the past few days, we've had the absolute pleasure of immersing ourselves in the one-of-a-kind world of McMenamins. Each property, the Edgefield Winery, the Grand Lodge, and the Crystal Hotel, welcomed us with its own distinct charm, yet all shared that unmistakable McMenamins magic. At Edgefield, history and creativity collide across acres of vineyards, whimsical art, and hidden nooks. We wandered the hallways alive with murals, savored house-made ciders, and lingered over pints of their signature craft beers. It's a place that feels both timeless and playful.
We could easily spend all week here.
The Grand Lodge offered a more intimate, story-filled escape. Secret rooms, cozy corners, and delicious bites made every turn an adventure. The atmosphere carries a sense of nostalgia, paired perfectly with hearty pub fare and the crisp taste of McMenamins' own ciders. Okay, so this is a super cool secret room. It's got these huge mushrooms. I definitely feel like Alice in Wonderland when she takes the pill that makes her shrink and get really tiny. Then the Crystal Hotel in downtown Portland. Vibrant, eclectic, and full of energy, with live music just steps away, and theme rooms celebrating rock legends. We loved being in the heart of it all, while still indulging in great food and drink. Together, these stays remind us why McMenamins is so special. It's not just lodging. It's an experience of art, flavor, history, and hospitality. See you next time.
Be free.